Hi, my name is Misty Cabaniss, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Live, Earn, and Play in Central Florida, and I'm the realtor that Jeeps. I'm fortunate to have combined my passion for real estate and Jeeps. So if you're not a Jeep fan, that's okay. We can still be friends and welcome my fellow Jeepers. So I specialize in new construction. So here you can learn about a city or a neighborhood that you're considering purchasing a home in. And I also cover all things real estate.
Today we are going to preview Concorde, a brand new community by DR Horton, located in Sanford, Florida. So the floor plans that are available in Concorde are the Cali, the Alex, the Hayden, the Roby, and the Jameson. Concorde is going to consist of a total of 420 home sites, has resort style pool and cabanas. The homes have smart home technology, granite countertops. It's all block construction, conveniently located to the Orlando Sanford International Airport. You also have nearby Lake Mary and historic downtown Sanford.
So whether you're purchasing a property for your primary residence or an investment property, I'm here to help you one video at a time. So make sure you click like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my property tours and you can stay informed about all things real estate.